Hi there, it's Anna Ortega here, and today we're going to dive into scavenger hunts for this digital story. Today's learning targets include what is a scavenger hunt, what are the benefits of scavenger hunts in the classroom, how to organize a scavenger hunt in the classroom, scavenger hunt etiquette, and scavenger hunt tools. Let's dive into what a scavenger hunt is. A scavenger hunt is typically, but not always, a competition where learners are divided into groups or teams and are given a list of concepts or items that they need to obtain. Scavenger hunts often involve riddles and clues that allow students to locate or gain an understanding of a concept or topic. Scavenger hunts are customizable and there are several variations. Now let's look at the benefits of scavenger hunts in the classroom. Scavenger hunts are an educational, fun experience for all learners. They provide an exciting and innovative way for students to explore a concept in a way that is hands-on. They also provide a game or competitive approach beyond memorization. Scavenger hunts encourage these basic skills: critical thinking, communication, collaboration, and creativity. Now let's look at how to organize a scavenger hunt in the classroom. Here are some following tips. You want to ensure that you plan and organize, meaning gathering scavenger hunt resources and materials ahead of time. You don't want to limit yourself to the classroom. You want to place clues around your location. You want to ensure that you assign partners or groups. You want to provide students with a graphic organizer for the activity. You want to ensure that you set a time limit. And you want to encourage a discussion or reflection at the end of the activity. Now let's dive into scavenger hunt etiquette. You want to ensure that your students are aware that they work together as a team, that they play fair. You want to set parameters so that students do not wander off. You want to ensure that they understand that images or items must be school appropriate. And you want to ensure that they stay on task. Now let's dive into scavenger hunt tools. There are a variety of tools that can help you utilize scavenger hunts in the classroom. The first one is Goose Chase. Goose Chase is an app that lets you create a new scavenger hunt or pick a theme from its database. You'll then get to route and send clues to your participants. The next one is Low Candy. Low Candy offers pre-made scavenger hunts where decisions made by your participants influence the flow of the story as well as the ending. Next is Scavify. This is an app that includes puzzles, quizzes, and QR codes for your learners to scan. And last, we have geocaching. This is an interactive scavenger hunt game that lets you hide items around the world for others to find. These are great tools to utilize when incorporating scavenger hunts in the classroom, and I have the links provided so that you can explore them after this presentation. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.